Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fakhrul Sajib. Welcome back to our Java programming series. This is Java tutorial 14. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about while loop. Before starting while loop, what is loop? Loops in Java come into use when we need to repeatedly execute a block of statements. The while loop loops through a block of code as long as a specified condition is true. Suppose I want to print from 10 to 1. How will I do it? First, I'm writing while parenthesis curly braces. First, I'm initializing int count equal 10. Initialization initialization Here I will give my condition, that is count greater than equal 1. I'm giving here condition. That is actually my condition here. From this part. Now statements to be executed. SOT tab count. Then I want to decrement it by 1. So count count minus minus, which is actually count equal count minus 1. This line and this line actually same. This minus minus actually decrement operator. It is used for decrementing the value by 1. Save the project. Before checking the output, first, to better understand, we will debug the code. You just have to click here, then debug the project. To step over, you have to press F8 to go to the next line. Now count is 10, press F8. Count is 10, 10 greater than 1, it will go this line. To go to next line, just press F8 on the keyboard. This is 10 now. Press F8. Now this line is executed. Now check, hover your mouse. Count 10. If you press F8 now, then value of count will be 9. Because I am decrementing by 1. Now it will be 9. F8. See, count is now 9. 9 is greater than 1. Then it will go next line. Press F8. Press F8. See, now count is 9 because this line is executed. If you press now F8, it will be decremented by 1. Then it will be 8. You can look here also. Press F8. See, now it is 8. If you hover your mouse, then see, count is 8 now. 8 is greater than 1. It will go next line. Press F8. Press F8. See, count is now 8. Now if you press F8, then it will be decremented by 1. Look here also. Press F8. Now it is 7. 7 is greater than 1. It will go next line. Press F8. Press F8. Now it is 7. If you press F8, then count will be 6. Look here also. Press F8. See, 6. If you hover your mouse, count is 6 now. press F8, press F8, count 6, press F8, now it will be count will be 5. Count is now 5. 5 is greater than 1, it will go to the next line. F8, F8, 5. If you press F8, now count will be 4. Count 4. 4 is greater than 1, it will go next line. F8, now 4, press F8, now count will be 3. Count is 3, 3 is greater than 1, press F8, press F8. If you press F8 now, then value of count will be 2. Press F8, see, count is 2. 2 is greater than 1, it will go to the next line. Press F8, press F8. Now count is 2. If you press F8, count will be 1. Press F8, see, count is now 1. 1 is equal to 1. It will go next line. It will print now. 1 will be print now. Press F8, it will be now 0. Look here also. Press F8. Now count is 0. 0 is not greater than 1 and 0 is not equal to 1. Condition is false. These two lines will not be executed. If I press F8, it will go here. Look at carefully. Press F8. See, this two line is not executed. Press F8. See, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have got the desired output 10 to 1. Suppose now you want to print 1 to 10, then how will I do it? To do this, just initialize from 1 and you have to change the condition here, less than or equal to 10, then it will be plus plus and it will be plus 1. This is actually same, count plus plus, count equal count plus 1. Plus plus is called the increment operator. It increases the value of a variable by 1. Save the project, run the project. See, 1 to 10. We have got the desired output. Statements to be executed. If you have a question, ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. I hope you understand now how to use while loop in Java. If you want to learn more about Java, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.